Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create text to audio in just a few minutes. If you go to my website, this is my website. Just want to show you. This is my website. So if you scroll down, you can see here text to speech. I'm going to come here, click here, and then get started. So once you get started, you're going to see this page. So here you can create text to voice, text to speech. For example, if I click this, here it's written how you can use it. I have already created a text, for example, here. This is a story. Simply you're going to copy and come here, paste it, and after pasting it, you can see this arrow. If I scroll down, so no voice selected. So you can select the voice from here. For example, I select Adam example. I have selected the voice of Adam. Let's see. Let's generate this. It will take seconds and audio will be created. Now you can play here and you can download it too. Every evening, an old lighthouse keeper lit a single lantern, even though ships no longer sailed near the rocky shore. One rainy night, a young traveler knocked on his door. "Why do you still light it?" the traveler asks. "No one will ever see it." The old man smiled. "Maybe not, but if I stop, let's check Eric." Every evening, an old lighthouse keeper lit a single lantern, even though ships no longer sailed near the rocky shore. One rainy night, a young traveler knocked on his door. "Why do you still light it?" the traveler asked. "No one will ever see it." The old man smiled. "Maybe not, but if I stop, the light will definitely disappear." The traveler stayed the night. Before dawn, a small fishing boat emerged from the fog. So you can choose, there are different voices from here. Man and women voices, brother. You can choose any voice from here. And then you can download it. In one click, you can say, download it and name it. So this is the way you can create text to speech. And here, there is another one that is Hoodcast. So here, what you need to do is, for example, how many people are in the podcast? Two, three, singularity, there are three persons. So for them, is it to host interview? So I'm going to click here. The host is, let's see here, I have already created it. Ali and Sarah. Okay. So from here you can see, let's choose Michael. Yeah. And here you can paste the dialogues to. For example, here I have all the dialogues. So I will just click this, copy, Control C. And then you can paste it. Next is 2. You can select here. She will be here. Segment 4. And this is the last one. Now, you will simply then say Portal 8, right? You can also add more if you want to. Like there are 9 dialogues, 10, but you can add it from here. So let's generate a podcast. We will... I can see. It's ready. It's green now. Ready. 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 Okay. Once all ready. Then you can play. Hey, Sarah, where are you going? Hi, Ollie, I'm heading to the library. We have a history quiz tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot about it. Thanks for reminding me. No problem. Have you finished your assignment? Yes, I submitted it this morning. What about you? I finished it last night. After the library, let's grab some coffee. Sounds great. See you there in an hour. See you, don't be late. You've been downloaded from here. It was downloaded. Hey, Sarah, where are you going? Hi, Ollie, I'm heading to the library. We have a history quiz tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot about it. Thanks for reminding me. This is the way you can create text-to-speech and podcast dialogue-based. There are many collectors. I did not test all of them. But if you want to add any dialogue, you can create it. And here you can also download it. Thank you so much. This is the way you can use text-to-speech on my website.